Next up, Darkroom. Quick note, check out maps.techno.com, a side project I put tons of effort into for everything you'll need to know about Arena Breakout and far more. From key locations to loot and even tips and tricks, it's got it all. maps.techno.com. This is yet another TV station key, and in order to do this, you need to be on the first floor. Zooming into the bottom right, over here in the office area, you'll find the archive room, and inside of this archive room here, there are these three doors on the left. The one with the red light, the middle door, this one here, is the dark room. Let's see what kind of loot it has. So, moving up to it, film room, we'll unlock the door and head inside. So, inside of here, we have a docs box, some general loose loot, a safe, as well as another military crate over here. Starting with the military crate on the far right, tactical accessories. These are the items that I have. I'm on lockdown, so things may be a little bit different for you. Then, moving further left, a computer right next to us. Probably nothing too crazy. Yeah. Then on the desk, inside of this docs or grenade box, we have document box, these items. They're okay. Then looking further to the right, maybe loose loot on the table, and on each of these, more loose loot could spawn. There's an S cable here, a clock here, and an S badge. So these are the three items that I got from the loose loot. Not too bad. Then the safe in the far corner from the door, I have these items. They're okay. Then further to the right, I don't think there's any loose loot in here, and I think that's probably about it. The military container, dock box, computer, loose loot, and the safe. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.